My name is Gaea Buenaventura. I'm currently a third year in biomedical engineering at the University of British Columbia, but I am originally from Calgary, Alberta. From the sessions, I got to learn more about people living with dementia and how it's not the same the way we should interact with each of them because they all have different symptoms. They all work differently and it's not the same approach for everyone. So I think by participating in different sessions with different people with dementia, I kind of I learned how to adjust how I interact with them, and from these sessions, I think the stigma that I had against them also got reduced because I got to learn that we also have some common interests and stuff from the activities. So yeah, I learned that it's just important to find something that we share in common. I've really enjoyed all of the sessions I've been in, but for me the most memorable ones are whenever we do some activities together. So last Monday we did Pictionary together, and I think for me that was the most enjoyable one because I enjoy Pictionary. I think it's fun that I got to play a game with them because I think for me when I think about older people, I don't think that they want to play games or something like that. But seeing that they enjoyed it as well, I think that was a really nice experience. And in the other sessions, I just really enjoyed whenever we talk about some topics, we talked about traveling, and I got to learn about where they've been and where they would like to go. And yeah, I think that just emphasizes more the fact that they're still like us, they still have some plans they want to do, and they still have those important experiences that we can learn from. And just because they have dementia doesn't mean that they can share those with us.